This snack is as simple as it gets. Perfect for those moments when you're hungry. Let's show you how easy it is to make this snack at home. Start by peeling the potatoes, then dice them small. Do the same with the carrots. Then finely mince the garlic. Next, dice the onion. Now heat a little oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the garlic and sauté until fragrant and soft. Add the minced garlic. Now add the minced beef and cook, stirring until it starts to brown. Then add the diced potatoes and carrots and stir to combine. Now add the water. Then add the curry paste and stir well to combine. Season with sugar, seasoning powder, and black pepper, and stir well. Let it cook until the vegetables are soft and the sauce has thickened. Once done, remove from the heat and allow it to cool slightly. Now get the breadcrumbs ready and beat the eggs until well combined. After the filling has cooled, start preparing the bread. Take a slice of bread and add a scoop of the filling in the center. Top with another slice of bread, then use a glass to press and shape it into a circle. Now dip each piece into the beaten egg, then coat evenly with breadcrumbs. Repeat these steps until all the filling is used. Now heat enough oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry each piece until golden brown on both sides. Once golden, remove from the pan and set aside. Look at that, golden brown, crispy, and absolutely delicious. Thank you for cooking along with us today. Do you like this recipe? Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty dishes. Enjoy and happy cooking!